It's time to do an update on Longworth chucks and how I cut them. The way I used to cut them was pretty slow. I think I cut at 125 inches per minute, 1/8 inch depth of cut, and each plate took a while. It was about 16 to 20 minutes per plate, depending on the size. And 2 plates per Longworth chuck, that was a long time on the machine. I think I cut the first 50 to 75 like that, and it just took a while. So I started making some more aggressive changes to my cutting profile. I increased the depth of cut, increased the speed a little bit. Somewhere around 125 Longworth chucks, I switched to a compression bit, and it made all the difference in the world. I began cutting the full depth of the 1/2 inch Baltic birch, except for the last 20 thousandths. I saved that for a cleanup pass. But now each plate just takes minutes, even the large ones. So the video you're going to see is the first 16-inch Longworth chuck I cut. And the second video, I think, is a 12-inch. So there's a little difference in size, but you'll get the idea. It's a lot more aggressive cut, and you'll see that it cuts very cleanly. And when I finish, the bit is actually cool. I can handle it easily. One of the other changes I made is that I cut the outer profile with tabs, and when I finished the cut, I had to pull the Longworth chuck off, cut the tabs, sand it so that it was clean and smooth. And obviously that's another step. That took a while. Around 100 chucks, I began cutting through the tabs. So I cut the tabs on the rough pass, and then on the second pass I cut through the tabs. So when I pull the chuck off, it's clean and ready to just round the edges. And I do that in a very smooth way as well now. I used to do it by hand, and now I've got it down to where I can do this pretty quickly and cleanly. So let's watch the video. So for now, that's the way I'm cutting Longworth chucks. It's quite a bit faster, quite a bit smoother. I think I make a better product that way, and it could be faster, I guess, but I don't see a need to right now. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, set notifications for the next video. Who knows when that will be. It's been a while since I've done one, so this is probably rusty, but it is what it is. And thanks for watching.